Well, today we're talking about the number 13. What comes to mind when you think of the number 13? Well, if you turn it around, you can see the 3 looks like a M. And M is the 13th letter of the alphabet. Now, for most of you, 13 will be deemed as unlucky. Friday the 13th, and it stems back all the way back to the biblical days. Remember the Last Supper? 12 apostles and Jesus, 13 men at the Last Supper, and Judas betrayed Jesus. Okay? It seems that we are obsessed with the number 13. On an elevator, there's no 13th button indicating no 13th floor on certain buildings. In an airplane, next time you get on an airplane, there's no 13th row. It goes from 12 or 14 and then there's 12. 13 is missing on planes. There's no 13th month in a calendar. Everybody know a deck is comprised of 52 cards. All right? It's 13 times 4 is 52. And the 13 cards, ace through king, is 13 cards. The king's value, 13. In a tarot deck, 13th is the death card. On a clock, there's no 13th hour, but 12 plus 1, 13, 11 and 2, 13, 10 and 3, 13, 9 and 4, 13, 8 and 5, 13, 7 and 6, 13. Yet there's no 13th hour. For you Americans and even people that have American money, look on the back of a dollar bill. Go ahead and pull out a dollar bill. On the back, you'll see a pyramid with 13 steps or 13 tiers. By the eagle, above them, 13 stars. Below him, 13 stripes. On one talon, he's holding 13 arrows, and on the other, 13 leaves. Even the phrase $1 bill contains 13 letters. All right? Now, some people, look at this list, associate the end of the world with a push the button. End of the world, push the button, both have 13 letters. Now, you can say this is superstitious, 13th letters. Friday the 13th, 13 letters and characters. It's a strange number. It's an unlucky number. Both contain 13 letters, as does a bit of encouragement this time. Encouragement, 13 letters. In Las Vegas, they have a scenic route called the Red Rock Canyon, 13 letters. Encouragement, 13 letters. Asterisk means the drive, the scenic drive on Red Rock Canyon is 13 miles long. All right? 13 is weird. Count all the letters, 13. Mysterious, number 13. Count all the letters, 13. Extraordinary and unexplainable. The word unexplainable, both these words have 13 letters, but unexplainable is comprised of 6 vowels and 7 consonants. 6 plus 7, yup, you guessed it, 13. Now, I made this special for you, 13 letters. Can you explain? 13 letters. Whether you believe in paranormal ESP or ESP and numerology, both 13 letters. Whether you believe it's real mentalism or you believe in luck, 13 letters each. It's a brain twister. Will fool your brain, both 13 letters. It's unpredictable and unprecedented, 13 letters. For you thrill seekers, it's a real kick in the head. 13 letters again. Now, if you ever watched the TV show Criminal Minds. It's based on psychological investigation of serial killers. Criminal Minds, psychological investigation, serial killers. All contain 13 letters. Serial killers like Charles Manson, Jeffrey Dahmer, Theodore Bundy, Jack the Ripper, all 13 letters. So cats are said to have 9 lives. Take the number 9, add it to the letters in cats. 9 plus 4, 13. You ever watch the TV show Penn and Teller? Penn and Teller, 13. The magicians say, this will fool you, 13 letters. If you take the word or the phrase Old West action, 13 letters, you can actually spell Clint Eastwood, 13 letters. What about Elon Musk? He's associated with Tesla. And he also CEO of the Optimus Robots. 13 letters. 13 letters. Did you know that 12 plus 1 is 13? But if you rearrange the letters in 12 and 1, you can actually make 11 plus 2. 13 letters, 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 letters, 12 plus 1 is 13. All right? Everybody knows insurance, or most people know insurance is a scam. Why? Because they make you pay higher fees. And often you don't not enough cash. 13 letters, 13 letters, 13 letters. In any magic tricks, most magic tricks, card tricks, there's hidden secrets. 13 letters. And most of the card tricks, deck is stacked. 13 letters. Even in geometry, the diameter of a circle, 13 letters, equals the circumference. 13 letters. Taboo subjects, back in the day, 13 letters, was homosexuality. 13 letters. Now, I went on the internet, check this out. First, I went to Bing.com, and I typed in the phrase serial killers. I asked them how many letters in serial killers. The result on Bing.com was 11. Then I typed in men in black UFO phrase. And I asked Google, 13 letters by the way, and Google came up with 14 letters. Wrong, wrong. All from the number 13.